In this video, we're going to talk about poisons. Injures or harms a living organism. So, poisons are any compound that injures or harms a living compound. And if you have that compound and it's dangerous in even small amounts, then that is a toxic compound. And a toxin is something that is naturally occurring and it is poisonous and it's produced by a living organism. In order to measure how toxic a compound can be, we use what is called a lethal dose. And sometimes and this is a dose that is lethal to 50% of a population of rats. And it is generally measured in milligrams of compound per kilogram of body mass. Now we have different types of poisoning. An acute poisoning, an acute happens over a short period of time, and generally the effects are noticed immediately. So the effects are noticeable and poisoning is chronic poisoning. This is where you have exposure to a poison over a longer period of time, but it is generally going to be continuous and it's going to be in a smaller amount. Poisons are going to be more toxic when they do not bind effectively to protein. So here is a protein right here. If they do not bind effectively to the protein in our blood, then they're not going to be as toxic. We have different types of words to describe the type of compound or poison. So if something is corrosive, it generally means that we're talking about acids and bases. They can decompose protein molecules within our body. If something is a carcinogen, it cancer and messes up your normal cell growth and it causes super fast, uncontrolled growth, and it's going to be in the form of a tumor. A tear abnormal growth in fetal cells and birth defects. And then finally, a mutagen is going to and it's going to not alter your DNA, but it will also alter the DNA of any children you will have, and it will keep spreading that disease.